Hey guys, it's Chandler with Classic Hair Services and sharing with you guys an example of an all-day job that is multi-service. I'm doing carpet and upholstery here. I'm working on the main floor, as well as upstairs and the basement. And I want to show you that I set up for the entire job. Those are 2 jugs of cleaning agents. This is my carpet cleaning bag and accessories in there that I need for carpet cleaning. I set up for my walking path that I'll be using throughout the job. Now I'm set up to do the main floor as well as upstairs here, but I will have to reset to go downstairs. But downstairs won't be as an intricate setup. It is basically pulling the hose down around by the pool and cleaning the stairs and the carpet. I'm doing 2 chairs in that room there. And as you see the hose run, I'm doing carpet here in the master bedroom, as well in the master closet. I also have my drying equipment set up, so as I finish each area, I can turn the drying equipment on. So I'm just really sharing an example of a job that I would be at here for at least 6 hours, I think, total the job was, and my complete setup, and I'll also show you the price and what I got paid for the job at the end of this video. And here I'm setting up the drying equipment. I finished these rooms, and I'll leave the drying equipment up until the job is over. And typically the areas will be almost dry once we put everything up. And on this job, all the carpets were dry when I was done, and the upholstery maybe had an hour left. That's just my guesstimate. And here's the upholstery I was cleaning. Basically 3 sofas and this wool rug. And I'll show you the drying setup as well. There's Godzilla outside, so I'll try to park the truck in a central location to where I won't have to move it. I'm doing the job. And here's the drying setup. Pretty good setup. The only drawback to this setup with the Studebaker is that it's pretty loud. But other than that, it's gonna get this room, get that carpet dry, and it's gonna get the upholstery dry. And now I'm going to the basement, and as you can see, it's gotten dark. It's getting dark early, so it gets dark. It's been getting dark here around 5:30, 5:45. So I'm going down to the basement and I'm gonna finish off the basement, then I'll be done with this job. Like I take a break in between services. Like I took a break even before I came downstairs. So I like working in one location all day. It's less cost for me, and it pays very well. If you have any questions, you can always contact me. Well, this is my shutdown, and it's time to get paid for my services. The client was so kind, and she baked cookies and gave me a bag of cookies as well as a nice tip. So I greatly appreciate her. So I'm gonna get all this cleaned up. Hey, thanks for viewing, guys. I'll show you a picture of the cookies and the check, and hopefully this will help someone out there when they're doing a similar job or moving towards this. So I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, give me a shout.